What?
Very good. Pick an ordered pair. Pick an ordered pair. Plug in and check. And something that could also make your life a lot easier, what very, very simple point to plug in do you notice is in all of the shaded or non-shaded regions? 0, 0. So we can always just plug in 0, 0 here and determine, is this side supposed to be shaded or not? Is the line supposed to be dotted or not? So if, instead of trying to memorize a process, we're thinking about what does this actually say, then what it means is that, for example, I think this one has a dotted line. I can't really tell, can you guys? It has a dotted line, so which would I expect to see? The strict inequality, and is 0, 0 part of the solution? If it's shaded, would that make it true or false if that's the shaded part? This would make it true. So we have 2x minus y is greater than 6. If I plug in 0, 0, is that true?
No.
No, it's not. So that would tell me that A did not go with 3 because it was not true. Yes, sir. Where do you think A would go? With 2? So we see a dotted line. We see 0 is not involved. So this would be A. And then we look at B. We see dotted or solid line for B. Solid. And raise your hand very quickly. Would 0, 0 be included? Yes or no? No. So we have solid, not 0, 0. So I can't tell anymore. I think this is solid. 0, 0 is not shaded. And then I want someone very quickly to raise their hand and tell me where they think C and D would go. We'll conclude. Man in the back.
I thought that C would be 3 and D would be 1.
So we have the strict inequality, our line should be dotted. And we have 0, 0 would actually be included, and then D at the top. So I think that about concludes where we are, and sorry we didn't get through it all, but what I want you guys to take from this is when we have an inequality in two variables, we're going to be shading above, below. We're going to be filling in the part where that makes our number statement, our solutions, true. So instead of us, I hear people saying I made mistakes, solving for variables and trying to memorize slope and intercept, trying to memorize all these rules, what this says, really, and you caught on this very quickly, is that all these points in here make my number statement true. So I think that would be it for today. I appreciate you guys' time. It's been a pleasure. And I hope that we get to do this again. So thank you very much.
Would anybody like to express your thoughts on behalf of the group?
Mr. Lloyd.
I like how you made us try on our own and not like give us the answer right away. You made us like do our work first, and then if you had any like questions and stuff, you made us ask. You made us ask them.
Yes.
Is there anybody else?
Would anybody like to express thanks to the group?
Can we do a chair? Can we do the McDonald's chair? Okay.
Read it.
One, two, three.
Thank you. very much. I appreciate that.
So scholars, you can turn this into me within the next day. But at this moment, I want to make sure you get to your next class, so please gather your things.